Are you thinking of starting your DIY Microlocs journey? Or maybe you already started your lock journey, you're already on your way? My name is Abie Kumar and I just recently started my DIY Microloc journey. I am almost a week locked now. My Microlocs were established December 27th and it is now January 1st, and welcome to my channel. So on this channel, I'm going to be sharing with you my journey of actually doing the DIY Microlocs, how I did them, what I learned from it, and I'm also going to take you through my journey of having the Microlocs and also maintaining them. And I'm hoping that on the way I can hopefully help you through your lock journey as well, and we can learn from each other, we can become friends on this channel. So subscribe and stick around. I'm going to be sharing videos on my DIY Microlocs install, what I did to prep for my Microlocs, how I'm going to be taking care of my Microlocs, you know, washing it, moisturizing it, styles that I'm going to be doing, and also I will be sharing some tips about dealing with alopecia. I recently lost some hair right before I started my lock journey. I just had some hair loss right here in the crown, and my doctor or the dermatologist actually says that it looks like it's alopecia areata. I'm not sure if that's how you say it, but good news is since it started a couple months ago, the hair has actually been growing back. So I'm gonna share what I've been doing to grow my hair back and just, you know, give updates on that. And of course, I'll be giving updates, monthly updates on my Microlocs. So right now, this is what it looks like. I haven't really been doing much to it. It's still, these are considered baby locks, so it is going to definitely swell in the next, probably once I do my month update. But I do hope that you stick around. Let me know in the comments what type of videos you'd like to see from me, if you have any video ideas, or if you have a channel yourself and we can, you know, hopefully be friends or collaborate on here. Let me know in the comments. And if you already know who I am, then you know I have another channel where I just share more lifestyle content, motherhood content, even some entrepreneurship type content on there. So I will link that also below if you want to know me a little bit further past hair and beauty. And I'm hoping that on this channel I can evolve and share things that are along the lines of hair. So natural hair care, beauty, makeup type stuff, maybe even fashion. You let me know what you want to see. Stick around, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you are excited about this channel like I am. And I hope you stick around, and I'll see you later.